Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be 10 quick and easy healthy snacks that are affordable for any budget. Promise, super cheap and delicious. We're going to start off by using 16-ounce mason jars. You can get these anywhere, Target, Walmart, Joann's, Michael's, everybody and their mama has those jars. And these clear plastic condiment cups fit perfectly without going all the way to the bottom, and you're able to screw on the top, so that's really nifty, and both of them can be rinsed and reused over and over. First up is going to be cottage cheese and pineapple chunks, and as I peel off the top, I do invite you guys to hit subscribe if you have not already joined my family, and also stick around and stay tuned. I have new food videos coming every Friday afternoon, so make sure you leave me your request in the comments down below. Then I'm going to add my pineapple chunks to my jar, pop on our cottage cheese, and there you go. Super easy. Next up, we have apple slices, and these ones in particular stay nice and white and crisp and crunchy because they have been mineral washed. And it's really important, especially if you're going to be prepping on a Sunday night for the week ahead. You want to keep those nice and white and appetizing. I don't want to eat anything that turns brown or looks gross, so keep that in mind. It's really worth the money. Then I'm going to add a couple of cheese cubes. This is just some sharp or mild cheddar, is amazing pairing, and there you go. Next up, we have celery sticks, and you're going to have to cut these down to size because they might be a little bit on the long side, but you'll get the hang of it. And you're just going to pop those in. Then we're going to use a nut butter. Today I'm using no stir almond butter, and there are so many options out there. You can also use cookie butter, peanut butter, whatever you have on hand. We're also going to do another apple combination, but this time we're using a handful of mixed nuts. Seeds and nuts can be easily overconsumed, so portion control is key. Next up, we have pretzel rounds, which are my son's favorite little treat. You can pair these with so many things, but today we are going to be using a hummus. This is just a classic version, but there are tons and tons of different flavors, and you can also use like peanut butter if you're not a fan of hummus. Next up, we have a yogurt, and we're going to make a little parfait using my favorite berries, which is strawberries and some blackberries, but of course you can switch it up to whatever you'd like. So you add your yogurt in your jar, top it with some fruit, and you do want to separate the granola, which is going to come next, because it will get soggy if it hangs out in the fruit and the yogurt. You don't want that to happen. You want to keep that nice and crunchy. And this one is from The Love of Crunch, and it's got dark chocolate. You can't go wrong with a little bit of sweetness. You're gonna pop that on top, making sure you press down nice and gently, and there you go. And next we have bell pepper. You guys, if you knew me, you would know that I can eat bell pepper like an apple. So good. My mouth is actually watering as I am recording this. And topping that with some hummus. So good. Also, ranch will do really well with that. And ranch goes really well with my favorite, which is carrots. So you're gonna add the carrots to your jar and then top that with your favorite ranch. Now, a lot of people say, don't even bother with fat-free dressings. So just add whatever you guys like. It's in a small container and you'll be okay. Next up, we have broccoli, and you're gonna make sure that you cut these down to size because you won't be able to fit too many pieces if they're huge. So about this size, and then top that with your favorite dressing as well. And last but not least, we have some washed grapes, and we're pairing that with some cheese cubes, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and don't forget to check me out every Friday for some new cooking videos, and I'll see you in the next one.